I am not a licensed mobility scooter technician. I do what I do to keep my machine working. If you're having problems with your machine, I suggest going to your dealer. If you add accessories, warranty goes bye-bye. So I just kind of want to enjoy what I can while I can. So I strongly suggest you don't do the things that I do. I make the mistakes so you don't have to. On there. See, it would help. The wheels are vertical again. So now, I gotta clear up all my tools. And I gotta maneuver this so I can lift the front end up. Take everything apart again and paint. Then I'll do the ball joints. I'll do the headlight while I got it up in the air. And then I gotta weld up my basket bracket, holder bracket thingy. Then take the front apart and do the wiring. Oh my goodness, I still gotta work on this fender. I'm gonna wait for a little bit. I don't have to have it. I want to get it drivable. And I gotta take I gotta put my summer tires on, and I'm going to whatever I'm trying to say, I'm gonna repaint the wheels again. Just to make it look nice. Get it all cleaned up. I gotta clean out the battery tray and repaint it, get rid of all the rust in there, repaint everything I can possibly repaint. Look at that. That's pretty bad. And once I get all this done, I can start working on the back. I need to get it working. Okay, this is kind of shocking. Are you ready for this? This is what I'm facing. Wow. There's a lot of rust in there. I definitely got to take care of that. So you can see the difference. Last time I painted, I only painted from the front. I didn't lift it up, so I couldn't get underneath. Underneath looked the same as it did up here. You can see the difference the paint made. Big difference. So I'm not having any issues, no squeaking issues with the rear hinge. So I don't think I'm going to take it out again. I'm just going to lubricate the crap out of it. Because it's still working good. It's not seizing. And it's not squeaking. So everything's good that way. And I got thinking, as far as speedometer cable, I can save for another time. Inside the tiller, I can save for another time. Because I just want to get this working so I can drive it. And this is a day job. I can do this like in one day. Like I've done before. Wow. So I'm not sure. I can't see, I need light, but I can't tell if the bumper bolts are seized or not, how badly they're rusted, because they're a pain when they're new, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do there. But like I said, these plastic things, you can see how rusty the screws are. Hopefully it's focused. So they might be a pain to get out. I don't know, I'll find out. If I can't get them out, I have to paint around them. I'm not gonna have any choice. Because there's no way I can even get vice grips on those to loosen them. It's just plastic screwed into plastic. So, in theory, it shouldn't be a problem. So, I think I'm gonna paint my steering bar too. It never has paint on it right from the beginning. But I think I'm gonna paint it anyways. Just 'cause I can. Obviously I won't be painting the threads even though they're all rust. But we'll see. So I'm gonna take the wheels off again and wow. Clean this up a whole bunch and then I'll take a look. I'm probably not going to get to this today. I don't have a lot of time today. But I'm going to at least take a look at it. See if I can get the bumper off. But for sure I'm going to take the wheels off just to begin. Get something started. Hopefully I'm not damaging the rear fenders too badly. Just kind of resting on the fenders and the trailer hitch at the moment. I was more concerned with, what I was doing up here. So I was lifting it, I kept trying to pull it forward. So basically I've made the decision that I'm going to do what's essential right now. I don't know, even painting the wheels might just be a day job. Anything I can do in one day, I'm going to save that. Because I'm getting so tired of the AS950 just shutting off and the batteries aren't charging properly. I was going to explain that. I got my new charger. It's got the light that comes on with the power and the charger light. It kind of tells you the status of everything. With the ES950 it's kind of set up the same. It's got the red power light and this light here. When you plug it in to the scooter, it turns yellow to tell you it's charging, and when it turns green, then it's charged. It's fully charged. And if it's flashing, I think flashing yellow, then there's a problem. This has different flash patterns. I'm not even sure. I can't remember. But I tried charging the ES950. I come out yesterday and it was flashing green. It should be solid green. It was flashing green when I plugged it in, but I hadn't really looked at the construction sheet yet, so I wasn't sure what that really meant. When I come out, it was flashing really fast green. And I turned the scooter on and I got like half a charge, so the battery's never even charged. So, not the charger that's the issue. It's just that. So I have to get this going. I have to, just to save my batteries. So, I'll see what I can get done. I gotta go in the house for a moment before I do anything, and I'll be right back. Again, the camera turned off. So everything went kind of well. I gotta save this for tomorrow. This one's seized up. Hopefully I can get that out. And I soaked it in a liquid wrench. Let that go till tomorrow. So you remember last time I took all this apart, these bolts are seized, and I can get the nut off, but the bolt itself doesn't move, it's seized inside. So I can't take the arms off. So I gotta paint them as they are. Not a big deal, I got a lot of cleaning to do here. However, I noticed while I was doing this, I have corrosion on pretty much every plug that's up here. This side too. So I have to replace these. Actually, one side doesn't look too bad, but the outside doesn't look great. These are not outdoor plugs. They are not weather sealed at all. Another stupid design by Heartway. Those are just regular plugs, but they got them outside where all the road crap splashes up onto them. So I gotta replace those. I have plugs that are 100% weather sealed. You can use them underwater. That I have to replace them with. It's just time consuming. I don't want to do it, but it's gonna be an issue in the future. And I'm guessing probably near future, so I have to do that. And I don't know when this is together. I don't know if I'm gonna have room to get up in there, so I might have to do that now. Well, not now, but before I put everything together, which means it's gonna take me even longer. I don't know, guys. However, this is going to be easy to take off now, so it shouldn't be too much of an issue if I need to. I'm going to replace the bolts, as these ones are so bad. I don't know how well you can see it. These are so bad now, as I have a feeling next time I try to take them off, I'm not going to get them out. So I'm going to put all new bolts in, which means I'm getting quite a mess over here. I gotta clean this up soon. Knock it off. Which means I gotta order more of these bolts, because I'm not gonna have enough for what I want. For the original purpose I bought them. So I gotta get some more. I don't remember how much I paid for those. I'll have to look. I'll just look at my previous purchases from Amazon and find out how much I paid. I don't have a whole lot of money right now, so I kind of gotta watch what I'm spending it on, but I really wish I could take these off. The other issue I have, even if the bolts did come out, the nut is on the back and the bolt head's on the front. So this long bolt has to come out here, which means I have to take this whole front. I guess that makes sense, because I can't take them out the back because the frame's in the way. Thank you, Heartway, for making things difficult. Again, this is why I didn't like working on my cars. They're meant to drive, they're not meant to fix. So I'm gonna let that soak and come back to it tomorrow. And I'm done. It's 5:45 now. I got nothing left. I got no energy. So I guess that's all I got for today for this. At least it wasn't too difficult taking everything apart. Just stubborn bolts, nothing seized, thankfully. Lots of lubrication when I put it back together. Apparently I got one that's broken. I had no idea. Super glue again? That's one way to get it off. This ball joint is the one that wears out the least, so it's the one that really gets changed. And that was on there so tight I actually broke the shaft trying to get it off. Which is fine by me, it's a whole lot easier.